Most of us with glasses knew when we didn't have 20/20 vision. But how do we really know? Sometimes blurry vision can happen so gradually that we don't even notice. Take our office, for example. The signs are everywhere. Here are the top 5 signs that you need eyeglasses. Have you ever found yourself in a meeting and you're squinting so hard at the PowerPoint presentation that your coworkers start to worry about you? Or even the presenter themselves thinks that you hate their presentation?
So let's go, this first slide we have.
Baby, are you okay? Is there anything wrong?
That's a definite sign that you need eyeglasses. Of course she didn't hate the presentation. She just couldn't see it clearly, which leads to our second sign. Imagine you're a graphic designer. The details really matter, down to the pixel. You're working on a critical piece, and as you're working through the project, you find yourself moving closer and closer and closer to the screen. By the end of your project, you're millimeters away from your monitor. You need glasses. But how do you know what your visual acuity is? Lucky for you, you can test your visual acuity at home anytime with the EyeQue Insight. Test your 20/20 vision in less than a minute, with or without your glasses or contacts. It's an easy, fast, accurate, and affordable way to know if you're seeing clearly at home anytime. To learn more about the EyeQue Insight, just click the link below. There are even more subtle signs that you may not be seeing clearly. And that leads us to sign number 3. Did you know that blurry vision can also cause headaches? If you find yourself constantly reaching for pain medication because you have these headaches, that's a major sign that you may need to test your vision and get glasses. We often blame our itchy and irritated eyes on allergy season. But did you know this is also a sign that you may need eyeglasses? If you're excessively rubbing your eyes, you'll definitely want to check your vision. Do you ever think that sometimes things are looking fuzzy or out of focus? Blurry vision can strike you at the most inconvenient times, like night driving. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the DMV requires you to have at least 20/40 vision in order to drive? Well, there you have it, guys. Those are the top 5 signs that you need eyeglasses. If you are someone that needs glasses, be sure to check out our latest video called How to Order Glasses Online Without a Prescription. All you have to do is click the link below. Thanks so much for watching, and talk to you guys soon. Bye.